Hi, I'm Katie Rose, and I chose to major in journalism for a few reasons. Back when I was in high school, I took a video editing and multimedia course at my high school, and I just fell in love with it. I fell in love with being behind the camera. I fell in love with editing, and it was one of the things that I could see myself doing in the future. And now, years later, I would really love to continue learning about film, and I would love to start doing documentaries and learn more about Final Cut Pro and just getting a better hand with video editing. I feel like technology has taken multimedia to a whole new level. And the way that technology has really advanced the way that we view news and the way that we share ideas and the way that computers and the internet have revolutionized all of that. I think it's really important for people in my generation to have a good hand on all that kind of stuff. And I would really like to be a part of that, and that's where I see myself going in the future.